drop it one time. Turn around, I wanna see it shake your behind. Hold up, baby, drop it one time.
What is good, y'all? It is your boy Jay Oso, and welcome to my channel Foreign Gemini. And today I'm gonna be doing a shopping haul for you guys. Now, this video is gonna come in two parts because I just feel like this video would take way too long. This is a huge shopping haul, guys, and in the second video, I will be trying on all these clothes and making outfits out of them, so you can go ahead and check that out when it's up. So right now, guys, what I'm gonna do is just show you guys these clothes. Now, the first set of clothes that I'm gonna show you guys, the other day, me and my boy, like, I was going to the hair store to pick up some shampoo and stuff, and there's a store called PCX, and there was a huge sign up, and it said like blowout sale, stores closing, whatever, blah blah blah. So I was like, alright, let's go inside and check it out. Let's see what they got, you know what I'm saying? So went inside and I was like, let me see what kind of unique things that I could buy, things that are like, let's see if they have anything that's really dope. And I was really surprised, though, because I found some extremely dope stuff, like, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna think the same thing. Now, I bought about 130 or so worth of clothing, y'all, and it only cost me about $50-something. So that's crazy. Like, when he first rung it up, it rung up to about that much, and then he like took all the stuff off, and then it was like $50-something. So that was like really cool. Everything was like $10 or less. Like things that was like $30 more, like everything was just on sale. So anyways, guys, let's get into this video. First things first, I'm about to show you these pants, because I know they're showing in the camera anyway. So these pants right here, man, I saw these pants and I just couldn't resist, man. These pants cost me $10. I do not know what the original price was, but yo, these pants is crazy, man. Like, check these waist out. These pants is crazy. And this is a size small, whatever. And yeah, so I don't know. These don't have the sizes on it, but I'm usually like the 30. 32 depending on the size, or 30 like I said, depending on the size. So yeah, y'all, I'm a skinny dude. These pants are really dope. Yeah, and they got the cargo pockets or whatever. Like, I thought this is a little different for me, but I was just like, I can't go wrong, you know what I'm saying, trying something new. $10, like, you can't beat that. So anyways, guys, these second pair of pants I got, the size I got a 29-30 because the other sizes were just crazy. So like I said, it's only $10. So I was like, let's just see. I should be fine because it got a little stretch to it or whatever. But anyway, these are some like navy blue pants. Like, they real nice, man. Like some navy blue pants. I don't think I've ever had navy pants like this. Then they got like cool like rips and stuff going down. Like I said, I like unique stuff, like, you know what I'm saying? These pants are really cool. So I can't wait to like try them on. I haven't tried any of this stuff on or anything. I got this blue hat. You know what I'm saying? I got this blue hat. It's really nice, like that nice royal blue. Oh yeah, just so you guys know, I forgot to mention in the beginning, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some brand new sneakers that I got. It came in the mail a while ago, but I just been waiting. I was actually waiting for them to come in to do this video. So now that it's here, it's been here for a while. I've just been working and busy, but we're going to be opening up this box of shoes and like getting to it, feel me? So, got this blue hat. The next thing that I got was these like jogger like type pants. Like, they pretty cool. Like, they come in like a lot of different colors. They got like that orange and pink, navy blue, white, that neon green. I don't know, these colors just go well together. It got the little American flag stitching on it, or like, it's like kind of like it's not stitching, it's like, you know, like, I guess like iron on or something, I don't know. Then it says sport racing. I don't know, it's dope. There was a jacket for it too, but honestly I just felt like it was too much, like, you know what I'm saying? I just got the pants is dope. Also $10. I think these pants were also like $30 or something like that. $10 I got them for. Like, I got these dope behind like cargo camouflage joggers. Like, these is nice. They look a little see-through right now with the light on and everything, but look, that not be see-through. Anyways, it got like this cool little stripe down the side, like this like black and like gray stripe down the side. From far away, it kind of looks like, no, it does. It's like it's a reflection stuff. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it does reflect and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's dope. So yeah, I really like these, so I picked them up. Yeah, they're nice. Like, it's like $10 or $5, something like that. Some of these stuff were like pretty cheap, like even cheaper than I thought. Yo, I saw this jacket, y'all.
Oh, really? And, how about this?
I was like, dang, that's crazy. This is like a USA,
Did you hear it?
Like, it says out of space jacket. Like, it's sick, y'all. I mean, it's kind of close to the camera. I got it all in the camera. Let me put the zipper up a little bit. Show y'all what this baby look like. It got red right here. Look at this jacket, y'all. It's like a nice little windbreaker jacket. And it's nice and thick. It ain't even cheap or nothing. Like, it's real thick. Got a hoodie with it. And, yeah, y'all, I think this is fly as hell. Like, in its reflection and all of that stuff. I like it. It's dope. Alright, this stuff is starting to pile up. Let me just put this over to the side. I got a nice clean carpet, so I'm good. And it's just folded up right beside me. So I got this orange hoodie, like I said in my last video. Orange is like starting to become one of my favorite colors. Like, I don't know, something about orange now just really catches my attention. This says, bless you, have a nice day. And that's kind of my attitude every single day. Just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I try to really just be a positive person. So bless you, have a nice day. That kind of sums up how I am when I'm in public. I'm always like saying hello and just, you know, either that or I'm antisocial. It's kind of weird, but yeah. So that's that. Orange and black is dope. I got some orange and black foam posits. They actually the safari ones. So black and orange and gray are the colors for the foam posits. Those are pretty dope. So I'm pretty sure that would look nice with that. Or even the boots that I had on in my last video, that could go with that too. Depending, I would have to see how that would look. So anyways, guys, this hoodie right here, yo, this hoodie's nice. It got a nice little color to it. And I actually got this hoodie for $3, man. This is the back of the hoodie. The reason why it's unzipped right now is because I had, I think this is probably the only thing I did try on. I tried this joint on. Wanted to see how it would fit, because I don't think it had a size on it. It didn't have a size on it, and I just looked at it and I was like, well, maybe hopefully it could fit in. So, and I tried it on and it fits great. So this is what the hoodie looks like. Nice, $3 it costs, y'all. It got this cool little zipper in the back, right in the back down the side. Like, it is actually a real pocket. That's crazy. I just thought it was like a design, but it's actually a real pocket. It got like nice little writing down at the back and at the bottom. And this store, like, you know what I'm saying, in the past I heard a lot of people talk junk, like, oh, that store's cheap, this and that. Bro, this stuff is pretty dope, so I don't know. I'm telling you, like, you gotta live your life the way you want to live your life, not the way you think other people live their life, or like the way you think people, you know what I'm saying, or like try to like live the way other people live. Like, you gotta do you. Like, that's just straight up. So those are the things that I got from that store. That was pretty much it for that store. Now the other stuff I'm showing you is stuff that I just either picked up or I got as a gift over the holidays or whatever. Then after that, we gonna do the unboxing of those sneakers, and then it'll be part 2, and that'll be the try-on haul for like all these clothes, and I'll just be putting outfits together so y'all can see. So anyways, guys, I found this and I picked this up at Marshall's. At some point, I don't know, maybe in like October or November. A nice little collar on it. Like, I wish the fur was all the way through, but it's not. It's just like on here, and then it don't go down the arms. Like, it don't go down. If it did go down the arms, it would have been so bomb. It's a bomb jacket. But this is the jacket. It's nice. I actually want to get a smaller one, like a more snug one. I like it. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I wear my hoodies and all that good stuff, it's awesome to wear. But when I wear like maybe a t-shirt or something, like more like, like a t-shirt, like a V-neck or something, I want something that's more snug and not too loose. So this is this jacket here. I really like it though. I really like it, and I think I paid about like $40 or so for this jacket. And online, I was looking at like $80-$90. I looked at a few places. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But and then Ish got me this for Christmas. It says drip. It's mad sick, yo. Like this is sick. Ish got me white. Like I'm not a white wearing type of guy. Like I have a lot of white stuff, and it's just like white's just not black. You get what I'm saying? It's like black, like, you know, it don't get like messed up like how white get messed up, if you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Like you could wear black anytime, but white stuff just like either somebody gotta touch you or do something, or it just makes me nervous. White makes me nervous. Alright, let's just put it that way. But you know what I'm saying? It's not bad right here. It's not bad at all. You know what I'm saying? It's a dope hoodie. It's a dope hoodie. I'm just hoping and praying that it just stays this way because it's a really dope hoodie. So I got this for Christmas from my sister. It says Trap Motorsports. Like, this shirt, I've been wanting to do this video, but I wanted to make sure, I wanted my shoes to come in first because, like, this shirt, I feel like it's going to go great with the shoes. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's just going to go great. It says Trap Motorsport, but it's dope. I believe she got this from Fashion Nova, which is sick, yo. I really like this shirt. I can't wait to try it on. She got me a shirt last year for Christmas from Fashion Nova, a long sleeve shirt with the graphics down the side, a really dope shirt. And maybe one of my future videos, I'll wear the shirt and all that good stuff. Now, another time when I was at Marshall's, I had seen this hoodie, y'all. And thought it was pretty dope. It says Boys in the Hood, and I have some sneakers that kind of match this, so let's see how that go. So Boys in the Hood, and then in the back, like boom, and I think this was like $20 or something like that. Yeah, it was like $20 at Marshall's or something like that. Pretty dope, man. So these are all the clothes that I have. They're really tall. Oh shoot, you wouldn't even believe it. Actually, sometimes I go to Burlington's and check, and sometimes they be having some crazy kicks that you would not expect them to have. They be having. So sometimes you just gotta go check and see what they have because they be having some real life like steals. So anyways, guys, I'm about to do the unboxing. No, I'm gonna show y'all the boots that I got, and I'm gonna tell you how much they cost, and then I'm gonna do the unboxing of those sneakers, and then you already know what's next. It's gonna be part 2 to this video for Clemson. So I bought this hat in support of my little brother, and it's pretty dope. We got like the cool Nike signs and all that good stuff inside, and I could, well, bam, like how I look, y'all. How I look. Hold up, my hair is like in the way. How I look though, y'all. Am I looking nice? You know what I'm saying? Do I look like a great supporter? Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the boots that I got, that I was talking about. So, alright, boom. I got me some polo boots, y'all. I got me some, no, ooh, try again. My bad, y'all. I did see some polo boots there, but I didn't get them. These are Nautica boots, y'all. These are some Nautica boots. I got these for $32.99, so $33 I got these boots for, y'all. Look at these boots, yo. These boots is clean. I got these in a size 8. They fit nice, they feel good, they nice and comfy. The bottom, this is what the bottoms look like. Boom, boom. Yo, these shoes is clean, y'all. It says Nautica on the back. Like, yo, it's a mad clean. I like these boots. These boots are real nice. I like the colors, all that good stuff. So yes, I got these for a great price. Always wanted boots that look just like this, so I'm really happy that I ended up seeing these. I didn't really see no bangers when it came to the shoes, but I saw these. I saw some polo boots, but I already have some polo boots that I saw that was similar to them, so I didn't really want to pick up something that was like the same. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this mystery shoe, you know what I'm saying? I got this shoe from Nike.com, you know what I'm saying? Do the math. What y'all think it is? What y'all think this is? What do y'all think these shoes are? I'm so excited, man. It's been for a minute. I've been eyeing them like, dang, yo, I need to make this video because I really just want to open this up, show y'all what's up. It says, do it. See, I feel like this is how people be stealing people's shoes and this is how people know where you get stuff from. Like, you got the whole Nike logo on there saying, do it. Just do it. This is why people's stuff be getting stolen, because y'all be putting, like, stuff on the outside of the box. Y'all got to chill out with that. Because, like, I definitely had some shoes stolen in the past, and I was just praying and hoping that these shoes is not about to get stolen because, like, Like, they're not, like, there's not a lot of them left. Like, there's probably no more left at this point. Who knows? But I just did not want, like, I can't, you know what I'm saying? Certain shoes you can't replace. Like, not when they go in dead stock, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, alright, boom. This is like my little invoice or whatever. Alright. This is the Jordan box. So now y'all know it's a pair of Jordans, right? It's a pair of Jordans. But which Jordans is it? Which ones could it be? Let's get into it, baby. Let's get into it. Because I can't wait. If you guessed that it was the Jordan 1s, the blue and black, then you already know what's up. You already know what's up, baby. You already know what's up. Yo, check these out, man. These babies is clean, yo. I really like these. I really want the red and black ones and the orange, white, and black ones. Like, but trust me, I'm working on it. Yeah, yo, so, man, I got these babies right here, man. I'm happy. Yes, these are the Jordan 1s, and, yo, I'm excited, yo. I'm so happy I got these. And, yo, I feel like these is gonna look so good with that shirt that I just talked about. Now I got mad stuff in the way. Now I got stuff around. Alright, cool. Alright, so I feel like this is gonna look real nice with this, man. Like, what y'all think? Like, I feel like, you know what I'm saying? The shirt got the little blue. I know it got a lot of red, but it do have blue. Like, the car has blue in it. I just feel like it's just gonna look real nice together. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, I just think it's gonna look good together. So yeah, guys, about these sweatpants. So before we go, I just want to show you guys. I was in New York and we went to the Palisades Mall, and this is the store right here. It's a dope store, yo. They got everything in there. Like, I need to go back because it was just like so much stuff. Like, my eyes are just like everywhere. But anyways, guys, so I got these dope behind NASA sweatpants from over there, yo. Orange, of course, because you know. So NASA right here, that joint is sick. I got it in a size small, and you know what I'm saying? Like, it's real dope, nice and like hemmed at the bottom. It's really nice and thick. It doesn't look like the material that's gonna be all jacked up and stuff when you wash it. So I'm really happy about this purchase. It was dope. Got this in New York. Just wanted to add that to this video. This is a huge behind shopping haul video, and I don't want it to be super long by adding an entire try-on haul after it. So what I'm gonna do is split this video in 2 parts, like I said in the beginning. So make sure you guys look out. It's probably gonna be in the link below, or it's probably gonna be posted right after, or I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. But guys, you already know what it is. It's your boy J Oso, and this is my channel, Foreign Gemini. Please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you show love all day, every day. Alright, y'all. Peace, love, and magic. Busted, baby, you know that I like it. The way you looking at me, you can't fight it. Wanna bust it open, have your legs split.